So bashana, today sonze ushuni we-skin routine and ngihamba nomalumekazi wami. Yeah, uzongitshela ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani lo shuni lo. Lezi ngikubona bona so mina ke ngiyinsizwa nje enza into eqodi ivaseli nephume kanje. Kodwa ke imama ke senze lizochaza ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani.
Okay, so this is nothing hectic. We're just washing his face with my products, obviously. Well, not necessarily my products, but...
Hey, yabona ke inkinga ngempana uzokuthonda kwintombazane. Okay, it's fine. Yes.
Okay, so I am basically using Posha M products. This is the soap, as you can see. So he's just going to basically wash his face with it. I don't know, but okay, so now basically now that he's done with the soap, he's just going to go in with the skin toner. Okay, and now that we're done with the skin toner thingy step, I guess, he's just going to go in with the marula skin oil. Oh, and after the marula skin oil, we are going to go in with the marula skin day cream anti-blemish. I'm not sure if you can see because I had dark spots, so he's just going to go in with that now.
Ushuno yabona lo shuni lo okwenza ucobezela kanje uyindoda sothini phela dlala abafazi hayi ajabula ke nabuka phela ekseni fili